Hi guys, Brian from J-Tech. I'm going to show you how to do a fluid service on a differential on this truck here. Like I said, for the sake of video, I removed most of the bolts, and then we're going to take these bottom 3 bolts out. Put my bucket over here. And long bolts. Most of these differentials, you can make your own gasket, or you can buy a gasket for it. I'm just going to take it's got a gasket on it. You're just going to take a screwdriver here, pop it open, and drain your fluid out of it. You want to leave a bolt in the top there, so when you drain in your fluid, your cover doesn't fall off and make a mess or anything like that. And then you got to make even more mess and clean it all up. Take this top bolt out up here. Try not to drop it in your fluid. And what you're going to do is you're going to look at it, make sure it's all clean, ain't no shavings in there. Hate that for me so I knock nothing over. What you're going to do is you're going to look everywhere in here. You're going to look at all your gears. You're going to look at the bottom of your pan, make sure there ain't no fluid in there, no metal in your fluid. Everything looks good. And then you're just going to spin your wheel here to move all your spider gears and everything. You just want to look them over, make sure there's no nicks or anything in it. Everything looks good. And then we'll clean all this up here, take all your old RTV off. If it's an RTV, you just get a gasket scraper, scrape it all off, and then we'll clean it up, and then we'll put the pan back on. Until now, we're going to step away for a minute and do all that, and then we'll get back with you. Hey guys, welcome back. We got see here we are started putting the RTV back on. We got it all cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and put this bead here. So slightly sticking together. Got that on there, and we'll let that sit for a minute, get tacky, and then we'll smooth it out, and I'll be right back with you, and we'll get the pan back on. Hey guys, welcome back. We got the RTV on here, start putting the bolts back in. What we kind of do is do an X pattern so everything gets equally torqued. This is the last one here. We're going to go up here and We're just gonna work our way back and forth. Put a couple in there. What we want to do is do that. The reason you do an X pattern is so it gets evenly torqued around the edges. Got that there. We're gonna finish this up, and I'll be right back with you, and we'll get everything and show you how to fill it up. Hey, welcome back, guys. So now we're back to the front of the diff here. We got the pan all torqued down. Now we're gonna take the drain plug out here, or the filler plug as they will call it. We'll set that down here. What we're gonna do is, down here we got this nifty difty pump. We're gonna take it up here, put it in the hole, and then we're gonna do some pumps here, and if it works. There we go. Well, this is going to take a few minutes, so I'm going to step away and I'll be right back with you, and we'll show you how to close everything up. Welcome back, guys. We're finished this up. We got the filler plug here. We're going to put it back in and tighten her down. Get my ass whooped on it. I'm going to make sure it's full first, so I can feel the fluid there. Got a little bit on my hand. I'm gonna get my butt whooped. I got the plug in there. We'll get it all tightened down, and everything's spec torque and everything. And thank you for watching my video, and subscribe and like. Y'all have a nice time. See you next time.